strong, as I sometimes will. But when the road you're trudging seems all uphills, when the funds are low and the depth are high, if you want to smile, but you have to sign. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer as it twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learn. And many fellows turns about when you might have gone and stuck it out. So don't give us through, the pace seems slow, and you may succeed with another blow. Open the struggle that was given up, and you may capture the victor's cup. And it came too late, when the night came down, how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure, turns inside and out, the silver tint in the cloudness of the dark. And you never know how close you are. It might be near when it seems apart. So stick to the fight when you hardest hit. It when things seems worse, but you must not quit.